Türkiye becomes a formidable force with TAYFUN Ballistic Missile. Roketsan, Türkiye's leading missile manufacturer, has conducted 2 successful test launches of its TAYFUN Ballistic Missile in the past 7 months. The TAYFUN is a short-range ballistic missile, SRBM, with a range of 300-1000 kilometers. It is Türkiye's first SRBM and is expected to be added to the Turkish Armed Forces inventory soon. The TAYFUN is a formidable new weapon that will significantly increase Türkiye's military deterrence capability. It will be able to strike strategic enemy targets with precision and accuracy, sending a clear message that Türkiye is not to be trifled with. The development of the TAYFUN missile is a major milestone for the Turkish defense industry and a testament to Türkiye's growing military capabilities. It is a clear signal that Türkiye is now a formidable force in the Middle East and that any country that tests its patience will do so at their own peril. Deterrence from a broader war in the Middle East. The TAYFUN ballistic missile is a significant development in the context of regional security in the Middle East. Türkiye's growing military capabilities, particularly in the area of ballistic missile technology, could help to deter potential adversaries from launching a broader war in the region. The TAYFUN missile also gives Türkiye the ability to project power throughout the Middle East, which could help to stabilize the region and prevent conflicts from escalating. No army should test Türkiye's patience. The TAYFUN ballistic missile is a clear message to any country that may be considering testing Türkiye's patience. Türkiye is a powerful country with a formidable military and is not to be trifled with. Any country that attacks Türkiye or its allies can expect to face a swift and decisive response. The TAYFUN missile is just one example of the many weapons that Türkiye has at its disposal to defend itself and its interests. Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.